Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to cross-post to Instagram from a Facebook page. We all want to have an easy life. Instagram, which currently belongs to Facebook, is trying to make our social life easier by offering new and more useful features every day. This is one of the features added recently to post Instagram stories to Facebook. Ever since Facebook bought the image sharing platform Instagram, they have been coming up with new and better ways to integrate the two platforms. And they provide the option to create and run Instagram ad campaigns from Facebook Ad Manager. And in fact, both of the platforms share a common advertising platform and features like audience targeting. Instagram has had the option to share posts simultaneously to Facebook for a while now. And now it also allows the sharing of Instagram stories to Facebook. But when it comes to sharing content to Instagram from Facebook, there was no option available until recently when Facebook launched the Crosspost feature. And Facebook is trying out the share to Instagram option, but they haven't rolled it out on a massive scale yet. And some Facebook business pages can see this option to share an image post to Instagram while others don't. However, this hasn't stopped marketers from getting excited about this new feature, which will be very useful for a lot of businesses. So let's take a closer look at this new feature that everyone is talking about. Here we'll explain exactly how you can cross-post from Facebook to Instagram and what are the benefits of doing so. We'll also list a few other ways to achieve the same using other third-party tools. So let's go on and learn how to cross-post to Instagram from a Facebook page. At first, let's look at the reason why you should cross-post. The first and most important reason to cross-post from Facebook to Instagram is that it saves time and effort. This is especially helpful for businesses that post frequently and have to maintain an active social media presence. In that case, it's a hassle to create fresh posts for each platform and still be able to post frequently and consistently. Therefore, by posting content to both platforms at once, you can save a lot of time and effort. Another benefit of the cross-posting feature is that you can post images directly from your desktop, and Instagram as a platform works best with the mobile app and places several restrictions on desktop use. Using this feature, you can post images to Instagram right from your desktop, making the process easier. So, now that Facebook has provided the option to cross-post to Instagram, why not use it to your advantage? If you haven't used this feature yet and don't know how to go about it, don't worry, we are here to help. And let's just look at how to cross-posting to Instagram from Facebook. At first, the first requirement before you can cross-post from Facebook to Instagram is to link your Instagram account with Facebook. And here's the process of how you can do that. Go to your Facebook page and click on Settings from the top of the page, and from the left sidebar select the Instagram option and click on the Login option to link your Instagram account. And your Instagram account will now be connected to your Facebook page. And then create an image post. Next, you need to go to the Write a Post option from your Facebook page and create an image post. For now, you can only cross-post to Instagram if you have an image in your Facebook post, and that too only a single image, as this works only for single images and not for multiple images. So create a post and upload a single image in it to be able to cross-post it on Instagram. And since this image will be shared to Instagram, ensure that you upload a relevant image for your post. In terms of image size and aspect ratio, there aren't many restrictions as Instagram supports vertical, square, and horizontal images. However, vertical photos taller than 4:3 ratio are not supported by Instagram. So if your image is taller than that, it will automatically get cropped when being posted on Instagram. Also, the caption of your Instagram post will be the same as that of the Facebook post, so write it in a way that is suitable for both platforms. However, you do have the option to edit the caption for Instagram after posting. So if you want to add more hashtags to your Instagram caption, then you can simply edit the post on Instagram and add hashtags. You can also add hashtags while writing the Facebook post, but a lot of hashtags don't look good in Facebook captions. So it is a good practice to add more hashtags to the Instagram post. Another way to do this is by adding all of the Instagram hashtags as a comment on the Instagram post, which is a practice some marketers follow for Instagram. And the other thing you need to do is to publish to Facebook and Instagram simultaneously. Once you're done creating your post, check the Crosspost on Instagram option as shown in the image here, and this will allow you to cross-post from Facebook to Instagram directly. If you have logged in once and linked your Instagram account, then you don't need to log in again. You just need to tick the Crosspost to Instagram option, and your Facebook image post will be simultaneously posted to Instagram as well. Also, ensure that you select the Post Now option while posting, otherwise you won't be able to cross-post to Instagram. If you select the Post Later option and try to schedule the Facebook post, then it will not be cross-posted to Instagram. One crucial thing to keep in mind is that Instagram accounts that have two-factor authentication enabled won't allow cross-posting. So if you want to cross-post from Facebook to Instagram using this feature, you need to disable two-factor authentication from your Instagram account. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.